I have half a cup of brown lentils, which I soaked overnight, guys. I'm gonna pour this inside this colander that is over this bowl. A lot of people sprout their lentils in jars. We're going to sprout it right here in this colander. This is really simple. Twice a day, morning and night, I'm gonna wet it with cold water. We're not gonna put anything on here, no cloths, nothing. We're gonna get rid of the water. I'm gonna just cover this. I'm gonna put it on the counter away from direct light, and these should be sprouted between 3 and 4 days. This has been, I just wanna show you, this is the second day of sprouting. I wanna show you that we already have little tails. Can you see that? I have been wetting this morning and night, as I told you. 4 days, guys. Look at that. They are absolutely perfect. As I told you, I sprayed these with water twice a day and just, you know, kind of shook them in the colander and let them bake. Look at that. Excellent. I'm gonna spread these out on paper towels so they dry completely, and then I'm going to store them in the fridge for up to 7 days. Guys, how to eat these? Oh, eat them as a snack. They're delicious. Or throw them on your salads, maybe on some rice. It'll give everything.